Now, I've reached the point in this project where I want to put in the curved, the other curved roofs. So this one here, that one there, and I think there's one over on the west side as well. So I'll go over to the west elevation, and I'm going to bring in the PDF now and just show you how to do that and remind you how we go about doing that. It's in Insert. It is Import PDF. Okay, I have to find out where I've got the those stored. So it's NYC year 3, 2004, St. Oliver's. Now, elevations. I'm not sure if it's this one, but it'll give me a little picture here. Give it a second there. Yeah, that's the one I want. And again, change the DPI to 300, very important. Okay. I've got my scale set on my elevation at 1:100. Well, I should do. You can see that's coming in a little bit short, so I need to change that to 1:100. It needs to match the PDF size, if you like. Okay, let's open that again. 300 dpi. Okay. And let's position that right. So I need to move that up now. Talking about this one here. Yeah. All right, now let's get this into position. So to that align that. That wasn't correct. Undo. So to this align. So select and enable snaps on the. It's quite a handy facility to be able to enable snaps and turn them off on the PDF. So let's just move it out here a bit. Okay. So I'm just going to get it close first. So align to this. That. Okay, and then I need to do the levels here as well. Ground floor level. To this, align that. Okay. So that one I think is correct. And so what I'm going to do here now is just I'm going to take the PDF and just use my arrow keys. I think that's more accurate, something like that. I think that was the center line of the wall, if you remember. And there, I've got this one here, that one there, and that one should come in a piece here. Yeah, I think that's is a little bit more accurate. Maybe that one should line up with this one here to go into the plan. And I've got it turned off. I've got the PDF turned off the plan, so let's get it back in here. Come back down to, yeah, this end. So, and again, what I can do with that PDF is select it and bring it from the background into the foreground, like so. Okay, let's put it back into the background. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this reasonably accurate in the west elevation. I don't think that's too far off. Okay, so back to the east elevation. Let's go from here. Now we did this for this main roof here, so I'm going to repeat the process. It's going to be roof by extrusion. I'm going to pick the plane. So we created our roof arc plane, so we'll use that one again. Okay, and okay. We're going to choose our roof. These are zinc roofs that I've downloaded from the NBS. So I'm just going to use that one there for the moment. And we used the pick line the last time. I don't think it's going to work with this one because I think that PDF is broken up a little bit here. So if I do that, you can see it's only picking part of the line, which is no use to me. So what I'm going to do is select that and delete it. Okay, I'm going to use my start end radius arc, and I'll go from this point up here to that point there and position it on the arc. Now escape, and finish. Okay, now there's my roof, like so. Go into a 3D, you can see it there now. All right, and I'm just going to go back to the elevation first, and we're going to put in some beams across here, the curved beams again. So it's into structure, to beam, and again I'm going to use the roof arc plane here. Okay, and I'm going to, this was my original one, the 200 by 750 for the arena. So I've taken that and I've duplicated it, made it into 100 by 75. I'm going to use the pick line here, and that'll position that for me. Now into 3D, and if I go into an upper roof plan here. Okay, there's that roof. Right, now that roof comes over as far as that grid line there, as far as I remember, and that grid line there, something like so. And I'd need to just double check that and make sure I've got that in the right position. I'm going to do that. Now you can see my roof here. I want to check the position of that, so I'm going to go into the south elevation, and you can see that it's cutting the roof off. Now if that happens to us, okay, I need to get back to the site plan really and check that one there. Now you can see that the cut point is there, so I need to bring that back down to here for the elevation. It's making it into a section rather than an elevation, and there's the field of view there. All right, now back to the south elevation. That's correct. Okay, this wall needs to go back to where it was before, like so. Right, now if I want to check that and see how good we're doing, well then I'm going to go back into my insert. I'm at a scale of 1:100 here. Import PDF, and we'll take the other elevation drawing here, which is that one, 300 dpi. Okay, that one up. Now let's get our levels correct here. So we will align to this, turn the snaps on. So align to my ground level, this one here. All right. Now that's the main roof in the background there, if you like. Or if you remember, I deleted that main roof there. This is the one I'm interested in here. Okay, and there's the windows, and that goes up as far as that point there. So I think that's correct. I'll go back into my east elevation there. So there's the roof, and there's the beam there. All right. Now, as some of you correctly pointed out, I'm just going to put a color on that because it's very hard to see. So on the finish here, on the surface pattern in the background, I'm going to do a solid, and I'll do a dark gray, and on the foreground I'm going to do a horizontal line Okay. Sorry, it'd be a vertical, won't it? Vertical. Now I'm going to duplicate that because I want this at 500. Okay. Now I'm going to put it in at 50 just to see how it works out for the moment. Sometimes, if I remember correctly. Now, okay, apply and okay. Let's see how that works out. Yeah, you can see even at 50 that the line spacing is too big. So I'll bring that back down to 5 or something like that. Now, at least I can see the roof there now. That's what I wanted to do. Right, back to my ground floor plan. Sorry, we go back to these elevation. So I'm going to repeat that for this roof. All right, and then I'll repeat it for this roof here, and I'll get all my roofs lined up. I'll also do the beams as well, and then I have to decide how I'm going to support those beams, whether they're going to come onto the walls or onto columns or something like that. All right.